Good morning, students. Welcome to Maths class. Today we are going to continue combination exercise. Take your exercise 4.3, 20th problem. A box contains 2 white balls, 3 black balls, and 4 red balls. In how many ways can 3 balls be drawn from the box if at least one black ball is to be included in the draw? This is your question. So what is given here is some colors of ball is given. 2 white, 3 black and 4 red. Out of these balls, we are going to choose 3 balls. One condition is given. What is that condition? Out of the 3 ball, one should be in black color. Okay. So here we can take the solution as how many balls we have to take? 3 balls. So 3 balls must be drawn, correct? 3 balls must be drawn with at least one black ball condition, with at least one black ball. Okay, so what we can take the possible choices. The possible choices are now, okay, we can take white balls. White ball, how many white balls are there? 2. How many black balls are there? 3. How many red balls are there? 4. And last is your combination. Okay, definite. Okay, one black ball out of 3, we have to choose 3 ball. Out of the 3, at least one should be in black color. So first we can take 1. So inge 1 edutha, we can choose 2 white ball. 2 white ball eduthinga, red ball will be 0 because totally we have to choose 3 only, no. Okay, now again same thing. If I choose 1 black ball and 2 red ball, na white will be 0. Next, if I choose 1 black ball, na I can choose 1 white and 1 red. Totally 3 balls. 1, 2, 3. Correct? Next, if I choose 2 black balls, okay, I can choose 1 white, or if I choose 2, I can choose 1 red. This will be 0. Okay, and the last will be, if I choose all the 3 balls will be black, na, this is also 0, this is also 0. So these are the possible choices. Okay, well, now look at here, at least one black ball is there. So how can we write this one? Out of 2 balls, how many we are choosing? 2. So combination will be 2C2 into, out of 3 we are choosing 1, 3C1. Out of 4 we are choosing 0 balls. Similarly, next one, out of 2 is 0, 2C0, 3C1, 4C2. Next, 2C1, 3C1, 4C1. Next, 2C1, 3C2, 4C0, 2C0, 3C2, 4C1, 2C0, 3C3, 4C0. Correct? Therefore, the required number of ways of drawing 3 balls equal to, we have to add all those combinations. That's all. Okay, so first one, what is 2C2 answer? 1. 3C1 answer? 3. 4C0 answer? 1. Okay, so first 3 combinations we simplified here, plus second combination 2C0 1, 3C1 3, 4C2 6. We completed second one. Next, third one, 2C1 2, 3C1 3, 4C1 4. Next, third completed. Next, plus 2C1 2, 3C2 3, 4C01. Next 1 3 4 plus 2C01 3C31 4C01. And if we add this, 3 plus 6 3s are 18, 4 2s are 8, 24, 3 2s are 6, 4 3s are 12, plus 1, which is equal to 64. So totally in 64 ways we can choose a 3 ball, at least one black ball included in that. Next, take 21 question. Find the number of 4 letters that can be formed with the letter of the word examination. So what is given? Examination. Okay, we have to form 4 letters word. So what are the possible ways of forming 4 letters word? We have to find out. Okay, so directly we can get into the solution. Now in examination, how many letters are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Correct? So how can we start? Examination has 11 letters. Any letters are repeated? Yes. Examination has 11 letters. Out of that A, I, N. Correct? Out of that A, I, N all occur twice. Okay. Now we can write the distinct letters. So how can we write this one? X, E, X, M, T, O. These are all distinct letter, and A, I, N, N. Correct? Now if you see, or how many distinct letters is there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so 8 distinct letters are there. 8 distinct letters are there. Okay, now case 1. So out of this, how many we have to choose? We have to choose 4 letters. So first combination will be, first subdivision will be all distinct letters. All distinct letter. Okay, so all distinct letters, that means we have to choose E, X, M, T, O. 1A, 1I, 1N only we can choose, because all distinct letter, no letter should be repeated. So totally how many letters are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So that is 8. Out of 8 letters left, we are going to choose 4, because we have to form 4 letters word only, no. So out of 8 left, we are choosing 4. 8 C4. And into 4 factorial. 4 factorial means 4 ways we can arrange that. For an example, if I take EXMT now, I can write EXMT or XEMT or MXET or TMXE, anything like that. So we can change the order of this letter. That changing the order, we can write it as 4 factorial. Okay, so all distinct letter is what? 8C4 into 4 factorial. Next, second case, 2 similar and 2 similar. That means similar means what? Same letter. Similar means same letter. So we can choose AAII or IINN or NNAA. Correct? So 2 similar, 2 similar. So totally 2 plus 2 is 4. Okay. So how can we write this 2 similar, 2 similar? How many 2 similar letters are there? 1, 2, 3. So out of 3, how many set we are choosing? 2 set. Here 1 set, here 1 set. So 2 sets we are choosing. Correct? So 3 C2. Is that correct? Out of 3 sets, 1 set, 2 set, 3 set. Out of 3 set, we are choosing 2 set. 2 plus 2 is 4, so totally 4 letters. Okay, 3C2. How many ways we can arrange? 4 factorial by 2 or similar only, no. Whenever similar letters are there, you have to divide by that factorial. So 2 factorial, 2 factorial. Again, one more time I'll tell you this one. Here 3 sets are there, so we have to take 3. Out of 3 we are choosing any 2, so it's 3C2. And that letter, suppose AA, II is there, na? We can arrange AA, II or II, AA or IA, IA or AI, AI. That is what 4 factorial. In the 4 letters, 4 different ways we can arrange. So 4 factorial by, suppose if I choose this 2, 2A, 2I are there. So if similar letters are repeating, that you have to divide. So 2 factorial, 2 factorial. And last subdivision, the last case, 2 similar, 2 different. So 2 similar, 2 different. 2 similar, I can choose, 1 similar. 1 similar. Because if I choose 2 similar, 4 letters vandru. So 1 similar, 2 different. So 1 similar, I can choose AA. 2 different, TO. So totally 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 letters are. Okay. That is what 1 similar and 2 different. Okay. So 1 similar, 2 different. How can I write? 1 similar. So similar, how many sets are there? 3 sets are there. Out of 3, how many I am choosing? 1. So 3C1. Okay, into 2 different. Different letters. Okay, so how many different letters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Because AA already have taken, no. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So out of 7, I have to choose 2. So 3C1 into 7C2 into 4 factorial. 4 factorial means 4 different ways we can arrange that 4 letters. And that's all. So all distinct, 2 similar, 2 different, and 1 similar, 2 different. Therefore, total number of combinations. Total number of combinations. We have to add all these 3. So 8C4, how can we write? 8, 7, 6, 5 by 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct? And 4 factorial means 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. 3 2s are 6, 6 4s are 24. I can write directly. Okay. 4 factorial answer is 24. Plus 3C2. 3 into 2 by 1 into 2 into 4 factorial answer 24. 2 factorial answer 2. 2 factorial answer 2. Plus this one. 3C1 is 3 into 7C2 answer 7 into 6 by 1 into 2. 4 factorial answer 24. Okay. So we can cancel all those things and you can get the answer. Sorry, this is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. 3 into 4. So 3 2 times, 4 2 times. 2 2 cancel. Next 2 2. And again this one. We can, if we multiply, you have to multiply 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 2 into 5 into 12 plus 3 into 6. Okay, 6 3s are 18 plus 3 into 7 into 2 into 24. So if we multiply all those things, you will get 1680 plus 18 plus 756, that is 2454 ways. So that 2454 ways we can form the 4 letters word from the given word examination. Next 22nd. How many triangles can be formed by joining 50 points on the plane in which no line joining any 3 points? So how many triangles can be formed by joining 15 points? To form a triangle, how many points we need? 3 points. Totally how many points is given? 15 points. So out of 15 points, how many points we are taking? 3 points. So how can we write this one? 15 C3, correct? So this 22nd problem is your homework and the answer is 15 C3. You have to simplify and get the answer. 23rd question. How many triangles can be formed by 15 points? So same as like a previous problem. 15 points is there. We have to form a triangle. But one more condition is given in which 7 of them lie on one line and the remaining 8 on another parallel line. So what is given here is 2 lines are there. So first line la 7 points are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next line la 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 lines are there. Okay. So using this condition, we are going to form a triangle out of that 15 points. So to make a triangle, how many points we want? 3 points. Okay. So here we can take one line la how many points are there? 7 points. 7 points. Next is 6 points. Next combination. Okay. If I choose 2 points here, how many points I have to choose here? Okay, can I choose 3 points from 7 points? No, because all 7 points in the same line we can't form a triangle, correct? So in the 7 la, at most we can take 2. If I take 2 here, how many points I have to take from 6 points? 8 points. Only 1. And if I choose 1 point here, how many points I have to choose from 8 points? 2. Is there any other combination? I can't put 0 and 3 or 3 and 0 because from the same line I can't take 3 points to form a triangle. So these are the only possible ways. So how can I write this one? 7C2 into 8C1. 7C1 into 8C2. Right? Therefore, required number of ways of forming a triangle. Forming the triangle. We have to multiply all those things. So 7C2 now, 7 into 6 by 1 into 2, 8C1 answer 8. 7C1 answer 7, 8C2 answer 8 into 7 by 1 into 2, 3 times, 4 times. So that is 21 into 8 is 168. 7 4s are 28 into 7 is 196. So if we add, we will get 364. So 364 is your final answer. Next problem 25. A polygon has 90 diagonals. Find the number of its sides. So a polygon has how many sides? How many diagonals? 90 diagonals. If it has 90 diagonals, we have to find the number of its sides. Okay. So we can start the solution. We don't know how many sides are there, correct? So let there be n sides of the polygon. Okay, and we know that this is a shortcut form. We know that number of diagonals of n-sided polygon. N-sided polygon is formula n into n minus 3 by 2. Okay, this is a formula. So what is given in the problem? Number of diagonals is 90 given. So we can equate this formula to that 90. So n into n minus 3 by 2, which is equal to 90. So n into n minus 3 equal to 180. And this one n square minus 3n, taking 180 to this side, so minus 180 equal to 0. So we have to use a tree method, 180 and minus 3. What are the numbers? 15, 12. So 15 12s are 180, and we have to get minus 3 now, minus 50. Okay, so n, what is your n value? 15 or minus 12. Okay, and it will not be negative, so n is equal to 15. Okay, so how many there are? How many sides? 15 sides. There are 15 sides for the polygon which has 90 diagonals. So with that we complete our exercise 4.3. Today's homework is exercise 4.3, problem number 22 and 24, example 4.57 and 4.58. Thank you, students.